just borderline. It is not causing any symptom to the female. She's not going to get it checked.
Right.
So maybe that may be the cause of. See, silent signs ki, if we talk about them, like there are slight factors like thyroid, let's say thyroid. If it is just borderline, it is not causing any symptom to the female. She's not going to get it checked.
Right.
So maybe that may be the cause of infertility. Then there is one hormone, prolactin. That is a hormone produced by a gland in the brain. That hormones also affect fertility. Us hormone ke sometimes there are no symptoms.
Okay.
When the patient comes to us in the OPD and we get the investigations done, then we come to the prolactin is very, very high. And then this we treat it, the patient, they do conceive. PCOD. The patient thinks it's basically 35, 36 days is a normal cycle. And she's not aware that she's not having ovulation.
Right.
PCOD patient, they may not get the ovulation. So that is again a hidden kind of a thing. So these are the slightest hidden factor which don't produce much symptoms, but they are affecting the fertility. Similarly, the mild grade endometriosis, which cannot be even diagnosed through ultrasound. And that is one of the cause for infertility. When we do a laparoscopy, then we come to know that this is the culprit, because that affects the tubal factor and the endometrium, the uterus lining. So that is again a hidden cause of infertility.